Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a Slido poll that you've already created to your discussion. So you'll have an embedded Slido poll that students will be able to answer, then be able to see the results of all of their classmates' responses, and be able to elaborate on their own thoughts all on one page. So it's actually really cool. So here I'm here in my Slido event that I've already created, and you can check back. My polling newsletter has all the detailed instructions on how to actually create Slido polls. And you can see this live poll is happening right now. You have 8 people that have already voted, so you can see their responses down here. Say this is a poll that you've just created and you want to make sure you're adding it to your discussion. What you would do is under the list of all the questions that you have going on, you would click the settings icon up here in the left-hand corner, this 3 dots, and then navigate to the share option. And this box will pop up. You have 2 options. One of them is a direct link. So if you copy and paste this link, students, when they click on it, they will be directed to a Slido webpage where they can actually respond to the poll and see the responses. So that is something that is an option to you if you don't want to mess with the other option, which I'm going to tell you how to do, which is this. It's using the embed code, just the same as you would do for the answer garden. So you'll just copy it, and then you would go to a discussion. So this is now a blank discussion. I'll show you where to go to do it. So you would have, your discussion information. So it says maybe respond to the Slido poll below and elaborate on your responses in the discussion. Then you would click on this little link up here that says HTML editor, and then just copy or paste that embed code that you copied from the Slido link. Go back to the rich content editor, and you will see that the Slido poll actually pops up right in the text of the instructions. So I will show you what it looks like when it's actually administered. So here's my discussion that I've given them for this particular module. I've actually included both a Slido poll and an answer garden session. They have to respond to both, and then they can choose which one they wanted to respond to here. So for me, I always ask them to enter in their names so I can keep track of who's answering the polls. Once they join the event, they will be able to select the answer that they want, send, and they'll be able to see those results in real time happen right in the discussion itself. And then they can scroll down and actually reply to the discussions happening. So I have, one person who's posted a video response. I have one person who's posted a text response. They can reply to each other about the polls, and you have this really interesting conversations that develop over the discussion using these tools.